TommyB posted a video just over a week ago showcasing their custom Steam Controller 2, which was meant to replicate the Steam Deck's controller layout, including the touchpads. He built several PCBs and even the touchpads themselves. Built the touchpads themselves?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
I didn't actually know that part. Before throwing it into a retro purple transparent case, I've seen that. It looks amazing. Walking through the steps he went through to get the controller working in games. Look at it.
How cool is that?
Look at it.
It's two halves of a Steam Deck.
So sick.
It actually looks shockingly usable.
Yeah.
Like, wow.
Yeah. 100%.
If Valve just released this, people would buy the crap out of it.
Yeah, probably.
And like, yeah, okay. I get it. It's Square, you guys. It's Square. There are probably a few things that could be done to make it a little more ergonomic, but foundationally,
to be able to couch game without a huge couch commander on games that are not traditionally super great for thumbsticks, because you have the touchpads, people would love this. That's what they really liked about the original Steam controller. You could play games like Civ on your couch easier, which was awesome. And I know Civ has console ports now, but
yeah, but still, trackpad
better. He added a nice touch of having them separate, just like Joy-Cons on a Nintendo Switch.
Yeah. Cool. Oh, that's so cool, having individual batteries in the two sides, so you can like game like this if you want. You got your track. It can be way more relaxed to be able to put your arms down at your sides.
And the best part, everything is open source with lots of other guides in case you want to attempt it yourself. Here's a question.
Hold on quickly. Dan, do you mind throwing the link to his video into both the YouTube and Twitch chats? I threw it in Floatplane already.
Here's a question. I don't know if there's like a video for us here.
That's not really a question.
But in a situation like this, say with the guy that made the laptop.
Oh yeah, no, this guy's on our radar for sure.
Or this controller. Oh, I don't even necessarily mean in that way.
Oh.
Like, would it be cool if we just made one following the guide?
Making one following the guide is...
Is that fair to them? Is there enough meat
it's open
there?
source, but
yeah, but
making one
take attention away from their video.
Making one following the guide is super cool, but making one by bringing the creator here and having them show it off and co-host has two additional benefits.
Cooler.
Number one is we get to highlight a smaller creator.
Yeah, because that's the core reason why I would want to do it.
And number two is I don't have to build it. He already built it. What?
So you're not going to build one on camera. You're just going to look at his.
Literally, instead of paying someone on our staff to build one, which realistically is what would probably happen from because it's a cooking show, right? Like from a video production standpoint, right? I'm not saying I would never do a DIY project again. I'm just saying that painting my bike almost killed me. I'm just saying that right now I have another project that if I have 2 hours to dink around with something, I'm doing that. Also, I still have to upgrade my Ally. I have the JSO like battery upgrade kit with the back panel, and like I got my own project. I do not have a lack of projects, sir. No lack. Okay? I refuse to shop at IKEA for that particular furniture. No lack guy. Okay? Thank you, Dan.
I was very enthusiastic.
It fit the rubric. So I could either pay someone to build it, or I could pay him to fly up here.
No, that's cool. That's
and then we
better.
Also get to highlight him. I think it's way better. It's a win-win.
I get a conflict in my head because I'm like, okay, there's an open source project that I want people to do more, and it's making a cool hardware thing that is within our realm. Obviously, we should make one in order to boost this. But then the other confusion comes in with this person is also a YouTuber who has their own video on it.
So
I don't want to take.
Yeah.
So it's an interesting concept. But if we fly them up, I mean, that just kind of solves everything. Yeah.
And then you also can, in some cases, get a little bit of context that wasn't really present in the original video necessarily.
Yeah.
No,
I mean, there's always the, like, you release a video, start seeing some comments or whatever else, and it's like, oh, yeah, okay, it would have been cool if I said this or said that or whatever.
And I like collabing. I like meeting with new people. We haven't always found the most time for it necessarily, but when we're able to do it, I think it's it's a win-win, and there's no reason not to. So I think I think we'll just reach out, and no guarantees. Maybe he's
they
busy.
might not be interested,
or maybe it doesn't work for our schedule, or maybe we realize after chatting that what, his video said everything that needed to be said about it, so there's not really a whole lot more meat on this chicken. So I'm not promising it'll work out, but hey, it doesn't hurt to start a conversation. The worst thing that can happen is we meet someone new.
Yeah.
And we collab, and then they hate us forever,
Yeah.
I mean, that only happened once.